everyone, it's me Yash. Welcome back to my channel, and here we are with another video after a long time. So this video we are gonna talk about my new DJI Mini 4 Pro Plus ड्रोन कैमरा. सो ये ड्रोन मैंने सिंगापुर से ख़रीदा एक्चुअली. सो मेरे भाई ने मेरे लिए लाया था ये ड्रोन, और इंडिया में तो वैसे आपको पता है बहुत महंगा मिलता है. सो मैंने वहाँ से मंगाया और प्लस वर्जन मंगाया. सो वी विल गेट इनटू डिटेल्स कि क्या है ड्रोन, कैसा है, what are its specification, what is the quality, actual output, then the reliability and everything. और जो भी इंडिया में ड्रोन अलग अलग है उसके और इसका कंपैरिजन करेंगे, क्योंकि इसके पहले मैंने 3 ड्रोन ऑलरेडी यूज़ किए थे. सो मैंने DJI का सबसे पहले टेलो लिया था, उसके बाद आई क्रिएटेड अ कस्टम ड्रोन जो मैंने खुद बनाया था पूरा किट. देन थर्ड आई यूज्ड IZI कंपनी विच इज़ so called Indian manufacturer. Then I shifted finally to DJI Mini Pro. So let's get into the video and see the specs of this drone first. Then second thing, we will discuss about the comparison between this drone and the Indian company which are giving this types of drone. And third, I will give you the tip from where and how to buy this drone in the cheap. So let's get started. You have to first put your battery from back, and it has a clip so it will sound. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, you have to open the flap, be very careful. If it is off, then you can rotate your gimbal as you want. But जब आप एक बार ड्रोन को ऑन करते हो, do not touch the gimbal or it will start giving you overload issues. So to on this, what I will do is first click. Yeah, it is on. Yeah, so it is getting calibrated with the RC control. Yeah, so it is now just calibrated. Secondly, you have to wait till the RC controllers get the required satellite positioning or range, we can say. So it should be minimum 15 and maximum it can be anything. So minimum you have to wait till it gets 15, and the camera shows here also, the display shows. So we have a display in RC2. The range of the RC2 is near about 20 kilometers. So let's try out some features and see you on the real cinematic shots. Now let's try out some real field work. So I will fly this drone. Actually it is a very clear sky today, if you see. Before 2-3 days it was raining a lot. So let's start the drone and try out some real footages. So let's go into it. This is one of the best feature I like in this drone, that is the 16:9 ratio and 9:16 ratio. So both the ratio it captures at 40K 60 FPS and 100 FPS. So this is one of the coolest thing I liked actually. So what actually we get in the modes, let's see. So we have first we can see photo mode, video mode, master shot, then quick shot we have hyperlapse, we have pano. So these are some of the things. In video, if you go, we get normal, night and slow-mo. Master shot is one of the good, I guess. So it looks at the scenario and it captures according to the scenario. So there are some kinds of master shot shots already defined in this drone. So it takes them. Then we have quick shots. Quick shot is like some of the presets. I will show Dronia, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang and asteroid. So these are some of the features. They are actually good. This is photo. Then we have hyperlapse, you all know, pamo and time shot. So these are some kinds of features, or we can say recording parameters which we get in DJI Mini. So we have one more option. We can keep the camera on auto mode, or we can use just pro mode. Auto mode is also good, but if you want to capture it in pro mode, you have many options here. You can change ISO, you can change white balance and shutter speeds and much more things. और एक अच्छी बात इसमें ऐसी है कि इसमें ओमनी डायरेक्शनल सेंसर है. सो मिनी 3 से पहले ये नहीं आते थे. सो फ्रंट फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में थे पहले, बट इट हैज़ ओमनी. सी 1 2 पर से है, एंड फॉर डाउन ऑल्सो वी हैव दिस. सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली अ गुड थिंग, क्योंकि ओमनी डायरेक्शनल सेंसर होने की वजह से एटलीस्ट यू कैन बेसिक जो क्रैश होते थे पहले कि हमें ऑब्स्टेकल नहीं पता है, जब ड्रोन दूर जाता है तो हमें ऑब्स्टेकल का पता नहीं चलता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यू कैन एक्चुअली नो कि साइड में कितने मीटर पे ऑब्स्टेकल है. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी गुड थिंग. सो इफ यू सी, आई हैव जस्ट ऑन द ट्रैकिंग मोड हियर. सो इट विल ट्रैक द बस which is going around. So this is called as tracking mode. We have actually active track, spotlight and POV. So I am not using it here because I am controlling my drone and shooting too. So yeah, it is a good feature. Actually you will see the drone is here and it is tracking. So it is a good feature actually when you are driving alone, or you want to capture your POV. So this is one of the best. We have many features in this drone, we can say. So I have just launched the RTH mode, that is return to home. You can just click on RTH button. Make sure that your drone will reach on the position from where it got the flight. Actually where it is in the sky. See, so it has came. So if you will see, it is exactly above my head. Previous drone which I purchased was of IZI company, and it was good, but it was just beginner friendly, we can say. So that was not actually good enough to handle critical situations when you go higher, when you go long distance. So it was not precise or not reliable, we can say. बट ये ड्रोन बहुत रिलायबल है. मैंने अब तक तो टेस्ट किया है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. बहुत मैंने ऐसे जगह पे क्रिटिकल उड़ाया था जहाँ पे नेटवर्क कनेक्शन छोड़ दिया था मेरे ड्रोन ने, बट इट मैनेज टू गेट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर हाइट एंड रिटर्न बैक टू द होम पोजिशन फ्रॉम वेयर आई स्टार्टेड. सो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड इन दिस ड्रोन, and this is very precise drone. So I recommend you, if you are beginner also, try to invest in good gadgets, because drone is like a kind of gadget which is not under your control. It is when it is in the air, there are many parameters you need to handle with, because last week I crashed my drone because of some heavy rain and winds. So yeah, some things are in your hand, some are not. So you need to be very careful when you are flying in height or far away from your remote control location, or remote control whatever we say, RC. And moving further, you can purchase this drone from Singapore, Thailand or USA also. Reason why, this drone is very cheap there. If you have your friend in this country, so you can tell them to bring them with them to India. So there is no restriction when you bring it as your own property at the airport. So my brother took this drone and he came to the India and he given me. So no issues at all. You can bring your drone from other countries. There is no as such DGCI approval required at the first. But yeah, when you try to fly this drone in some areas or in normal conditions also, you need to have a DGCI certificate, which you get. You have to apply for it. And somewhat in the December 2025, the Mini 5 Pro is also launching. But I don't think so there would be a drastic change from Mini 4 to Mini 5, because maximum things are given in this drone. But yeah, one thing is not there in this drone, that is, it is a waterproof, and no drone can be waterproof for now in this segment. Yeah, further it can be enhanced, so company will think of it. But yeah, this drone is really awesome. If you want an entry level drone, go for this. If you like this video, do subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Chalo, bye.